Hey guys, Agent Bussy, I'm back. And today, well, I had a brilliant day out with Ellen yesterday. So today I expect to see his post 16 adventure episode of what we did yesterday out today. Yes. Yeah, that'll be brilliant. I haven't seen the August post 16 adventure episode yet. I presume he's having trouble uploading it or something. But anyway, on to some bad news. The Kerr's miniaturary in Scotland is shutting down. Possibly permanent. That's a shame. It's been operating since 1935. Never went on it, but I have seen it once when going on my rail tour to Aberdeen. Alright, that's another vlog I've done with. See you later, chaps.